Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Netgear CM600 in case you're having any connectivity issues. It's not connecting to Wi-Fi, it's not connecting to the internet, it's not responding, a lot of stuff like that. Also, if you've forgotten the password, this will reset the password to its default password, which is username admin, all lowercase, password is password, all lowercase. If you would like to do this, it's pretty simple to do. You can see it here, there's actually a reset button on it. All you need to do is come in with a paper clip or like one of those iPhone SIM ejector pins, or just a pin that's not any kind of pin that'll fit in there that's not too sharp. You're just going to put it in and push down on the reset button right here for several seconds. And then it'll take about 30 seconds for it to run through its reset cycle, at which point you can turn it back on and reconnect everything. Just keeping in mind that the username and password will be reset to username admin, password,